Hey guys, FormGet has rolled out the Form Prefill feature. So in this video, I will show you how to use it with a suitable example. The example could be something like targeting one of our FormGet lead. So for that, I'm going to create a simple form and add the Form Prefill functionality in it. Now let's hop on to the form building process and give a form a suitable title. For this form, I'm going to add basic field elements like full name and email, and also the new payment field. I'm going to quickly set up the payment settings, and if you want to know more about the new payment setting, then check out its walkthrough video. Link will be available in the description. Let's give a suitable product heading like choose your desired FormGet plans. Also, I'm going to use both the payment gateways. Change the billing cycle from one time to recurring. Set the base price as 0, followed by adding all the FormGet plans and the pricing. Also, I'm going to change the call to action message from send message to pay now. Now comes the prefill settings part. Once you click on the first name field, you will notice that the prefill key is generated. So I'm going to save it in my Notepad++. Similarly, you can get the prefill key for the last name field by clicking on it. I'll save this too. Lastly, I'll get the prefill key for the email field as well. After this, you have to save the form and proceed to the next step. Now copy this form sharing link to your Notepad++ also. Let's consider that we have a FormGet lead by the name Mark Jacobs and email markjacobs@gmail.com. Now to add the prefill values, I would have to pass the values in the form sharing URL. This has to be done by first adding the question mark at the end of URL, then the first name prefill key, then equals to sign, and finally the prefill value. After this, you would have to add the ampersand sign, then the last name prefill key, and ultimately the prefill value. And this process should be repeated for the email prefill value also. That is ampersand sign, prefill key, equals to sign, and finally the prefill value. Now let's preview the normal version of the form in the incognito window. You can see that the form is absolutely blank. But if we now open up the new modified form sharing link, you would notice that the form entries are pre-filled. The pre-filled values are perfectly editable also. So if we share this pre-filled form to Mr. Jacobs, he can simply choose the FormGet plan and click on Pay Now button. This will definitely save Mr. Jacobs from filling the form from scratch. You can at last see the form messages and check that the form prefill features works efficiently. You can use the form prefill feature for other purposes also, like survey forms and affiliate promotions. Well, that's how you can use form prefill feature. Thanks for watching.